Hello my fellow fasting friends, it's Jackie, and today I'm going to share with you 3 more 500 calorie down day ideas. These are meals that I put together. I will be honest, I have a lot of fun trying to find different 500 calorie meals. There's something I really want to emphasize, and I really think this could apply to many people, is in order for me to successfully do a 500 calorie down day and to stop there, I have to really enjoy the meal. So I can't eat 500 calories of eggs and hot sauce every single time I do a down day. I'll get sick of it, I won't look forward to it, which means I won't keep going. However, when you're creative and you really try to find fun ways to add in calories and foods that you enjoy while staying to that 500 calorie limit, I think it becomes a fun game, and you can actually surprisingly get a lot of food in that 500 calorie meal. And so if you can find out how to get foods that you like and stay at the 500 calories, I think the 500 calorie down days can really be a successful and helpful tool in helping you reach your weight goals, get that autophagy going, and really something that allows you to also have an up day, which are fun. But here are some 500 calorie down day meals that I have come up with right now. Today's my down day, and I'm going to eat this entire Southwest chopped salad kit. There's 3.5 servings at 140 calories each serving. That's 490 calories total, and then I'm gonna have 3 strawberries, which is about 10 to 12 calories. So right at 500. I'll have a sparkling water, which is 0 calories. So altogether, basically I'm having a salad and a few strawberries. That is gonna be my 500 calories. I'm gonna eat it at lunch, fast for 24 hours. Okay, slight update. I forgot I had leftover green onions, cut up lime, and cilantro from tacos a few days ago. So I actually just dumped it all in my salad. I'm not even going to consider the calories because green onion, cilantro, and lime juice is going to be very negligible. And even if it puts me 20 calories over, I'm not that strict about it. 520 calories is still definitely going to be a down day for me. Okay, I'm prepping my lunch right now, and I have these chicken Thai basil spring rolls. It's 425 calories for all 5 of the rolls, and I'm going to skip the sauce. Alexa told me that strawberries are only 3.8 calories a piece, low calorie, perfect addition, especially when they're in season. So 7 seemed like it was plenty. By the time I cut 7, I thought that's plenty. And then I have fresh broccoli here. It's 30 calories for an entire cup. That is definitely not even half of a cup. My 0 calorie green dragon sauce. I have 425 calories in just the egg rolls here. No extra sauce added. And then 30 calories for a cup. I'm sure I have a little over a cup, but this is still less than 500 calories. And I'm gonna eat this. I've been fasting just over 18 hours, maybe 19 hours now. Eating window today, it'll probably be close to an hour or 2 just because I'm gonna get a Diet Coke here shortly. But I'm not worried about that because tomorrow I'm not opening my window until dinner time because I wanna snack later at night. So I kind of play a game like that. But here's my 500 calorie meal, and it looks delicious. I mean, you can't tell me it doesn't, right? Okay, so I don't do this often, but oh my gosh, sometimes a McDonald's Diet Coke just hits the spot, and we were running errands, and I knew I was gonna have a very long fast after this, probably like 26, 27 hours before I open my window tomorrow, and I'm enjoying this. My third 500 calorie down day meal that I'm sharing with you guys, I have 110 calorie thin bagel. So I'm gonna toast this, and then I'll put a tablespoon of cream cheese on each side. 2 tablespoons is 80 calories. Most days I do not measure my cream cheese, but I do when I count calories. So 190 calories for this. Then I will put a couple shakes of this on top. A 1/4 teaspoon is 5 calories. So I'll measure that at the end. And then I'm going to dice up my pepper. It's like 37 or 38 calories estimate for a medium pepper. So less than 40 calories for that. And 230 calories for this entire bowl. It's thawing out right now. I'll show you when everything's assembled. But this is 230 calories and then 0 calories for my water. So I am less than 500 calories today, and it'll be a very satisfying fresh meal. It'll almost be like a breakfast. So I'm still waiting on my strawberry acai bowl to melt. But I have my peppers, my cream cheese, a bagel thin. I was at 450 calories with everything I plan on eating, and a cup of watermelon diced is only 47 calories, so I added that, and altogether I'm just at 500 calories, so I'm really looking forward to eating this. Once this is less frozen, I'll toast my bagel. I have my 2 tablespoons measured out, and I'll give a quick shake of that for about 5 calories, and I'll be good to go. I'm very excited to eat this meal. I've been doing down days for almost an entire year, and those are just 3 of the many 500 calorie down days that I've done over the past year. The fun thing is, the more that you build these 500 calorie meals, or you follow mine, you can take portions from different meals and piece them together differently. For instance, I could take that berry acai bowl that is less than 200 calories, I think, and I could pair that with a Jimmy John sub and be right at 500 calories. I love discovering what fruits and vegetables are very low calorie, like broccoli and strawberries, and placing them in different holes as I have 20 extra calories to play with. And I think that the more you do this, the more fun you can have with your 500 calorie meals. I am not at all worried about portion size. I want a big portion for low calories, and I've really found that it helps me to successfully have 500 calorie down days. If you're looking for more 500 calorie down days, you should check out these videos right here to get more ideas. Thank you so much for watching. Chow down and chow.